Ciao Bella, we all have a love affair with Italian food. There's something so comforting about a big bowl of pasta. It's pure happiness on a plate, but sometimes even our favorite dishes need a little twist. Let's explore some new and exciting pasta recipes that will make you say, Mamma mia! These aren't your Nonna's recipes, though I'm sure hers are amazing. These are fresh takes on classics. Get ready to impress your family and friends. Get your aprons ready, and let's get cooking. This recipe celebrates the flavors of fall. Sweet pumpkin and salty pancetta create a magical combination. It's unexpected and absolutely delicious. 1 pound penne pasta, 1 tablespoon olive oil, half cup diced pancetta, 1 small onion chopped, 1 clove garlic minced, 1 cup pumpkin puree, half cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste, fresh sage leaves for garnish. 1. Cook the penne pasta according to package directions. Drain and set aside. 2. While the pasta is cooking, heat the olive oil in a large skillet. Add the pancetta and cook until crispy. 3. Add the onion and garlic to the skillet. Cook until softened. 4. Stir in the pumpkin puree and heavy cream. Bring to a simmer. 5. Reduce the heat to low and stir in the Parmesan cheese. Season with salt and pepper. 6. Add the cooked pasta to the sauce and toss to coat. 7. Garnish with fresh sage leaves and serve immediately. The sweetness of the pumpkin combined with the saltiness of the pancetta creates a wonderfully balanced and unique flavor profile. This dish is a feast for the eyes as well as the taste buds. The unique color and presentation make it a standout on any table. The black spaghetti is sure to impress, and the spicy shrimp add a delightful kick, elevating the dish to a new level of flavor. 1 pound squid ink spaghetti, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 pound large shrimp peeled and deveined, 1/4 cup chopped red onion, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1/4 cup dry white wine, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, salt and pepper to taste. 1. Cook the squid ink spaghetti according to package directions. Drain and set aside. 2. While the pasta is cooking, heat the olive oil in a large skillet. Add the shrimp and cook until pink and opaque. Remove the shrimp from the skillet and set aside. 3. Add the red onion and garlic to the skillet. Cook until softened and fragrant, releasing their rich aromas. 4. Pour in the white wine and bring to a simmer, scraping up any browned bits from the bottom of the skillet. This will add depth to the sauce. 5. Stir in the parsley, red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. These ingredients will enhance the overall flavor profile. 6. Add the cooked shrimp and spaghetti to the sauce and toss to coat. 7. Serve immediately, ensuring the dish is hot and fresh. The squid ink pasta adds a touch of drama and a subtle briny flavor to this dish, making it truly unique. The spicy shrimp provide a delicious contrast in texture and flavor, making each bite a delightful experience. Lemon ricotta ravioli with asparagus springtime in every bite. This recipe is light, refreshing, and perfect for springtime. It brings the essence of the season right to your table. The lemon and ricotta filling is bursting with flavor, offering a delightful tanginess that pairs beautifully with the creamy texture. And the asparagus adds a touch of elegance, providing a crisp and fresh contrast to the rich filling. 1 package, 9 ounces, fresh cheese ravioli, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 bunch asparagus trimmed and cut into 1-inch pieces, 1/4 cup chopped shallots, 1/4 cup dry white wine, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon lemon zest, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. 1. Cook the ravioli according to package directions. Drain and set aside. 2. While the ravioli is cooking, heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the asparagus and cook until crisp tender, which should take about 3-4 minutes. 3. Add the shallots to the skillet and cook until softened, stirring occasionally. 4. Pour in the white wine and bring to a simmer, allowing the flavors to meld together. 5. Reduce the heat to low and stir in the heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, lemon zest, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Mix well. 6. Add the cooked ravioli and asparagus to the sauce and toss to coat evenly, ensuring every piece is covered. 7. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve immediately, enjoying the vibrant colors and flavors. The combination of lemon, ricotta, and asparagus creates a symphony of fresh and vibrant flavors that screams springtime. Each bite is a celebration of the season. Creamy pesto gnocchi with roasted cherry tomatoes, a garden of flavors. This dish is all about fresh, vibrant flavors that come together in perfect harmony. The pesto adds a burst of basil and parmesan, while the roasted cherry tomatoes provide a touch of sweetness and a hint of acidity. 1 pound gnocchi, 1 pint cherry tomatoes, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup prepared pesto, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, freshly grated for the best flavor. Salt and pepper to taste, to enhance the natural flavors of the ingredients. Fresh basil leaves for garnish, adding a pop of color and freshness. 1. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius to get it ready for roasting. 2. Toss the cherry tomatoes with olive oil, salt, and pepper on a baking sheet, ensuring they are well coated. 3. Roast for 15 to 20 minutes or until the tomatoes are blistered and softened, releasing their natural sweetness. 4. While the tomatoes are roasting, cook the gnocchi according to package directions. Drain and set aside, ready for the next step. 5. In a large skillet, combine the pesto, heavy cream, and Parmesan cheese, creating a rich and creamy sauce. Heat over medium heat until the sauce is warmed through, stirring occasionally. 6. Add the cooked gnocchi and roasted cherry tomatoes to the sauce and toss to coat, ensuring every piece is covered. 7. Garnish with fresh basil leaves and serve immediately, while the dish is still hot and flavorful. This recipe goes beyond traditional pesto pasta, offering a unique twist. The roasted cherry tomatoes add a burst of sweetness and acidity, making it a delightful interplay of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Saffron tagliatelle with clams and zucchini, a symphony of the sea. This elegant dish is perfect for a special occasion. The saffron adds a beautiful golden hue and a delicate, earthy flavor. The clams and zucchini provide a taste of the sea. 1 pound tagliatelle pasta, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 cup chopped shallots, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1/2 cup dry white wine, 1 pound fresh clams, scrubbed, 1 small zucchini diced, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 1/4 teaspoon saffron threads, salt and pepper to taste. 1. Cook the tagliatelle pasta according to package directions. Drain and set aside. 2. While the pasta is cooking, heat the olive oil in a large skillet. Add the shallots and garlic and cook until softened. 3. Pour in the white wine and bring to a simmer. 4. Add the clams, zucchini, parsley, saffron threads, salt, and pepper. Cover and cook until the clams open, about 5 to 7 minutes. 5. Add the cooked tagliatelle to the skillet and toss to coat. 6. Serve immediately. The saffron adds a unique earthy flavor and a beautiful golden color. The clams and zucchini combine for a fresh and light taste of the sea. There you have it, 5 new and exciting pasta recipes that will transport your taste buds straight to Italy. These recipes are all about fresh, bold flavors and innovative combinations. So grab your ingredients, put on your apron, and get cooking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and culinary adventures. Until next time, buon appetito!